Here in this video, we are going to look at this 2021 WAEC question, and this is question 22. So the question is to solve 2 raised to the power of square root of 2x plus 1 equal to 32. Solve 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 square root of 2x plus 1 equal to 32. So option A is 13, option B is 24, option C is 12, and then option D is 11. So the question is to solve 2 raised to the power of the square root of 2x plus 1 equal to 32. Alright, so the first thing I would want to do here is to convert this 32 to an index number in such a way that it will have 2 as the base number so that they can cancel out. Alright, so this is your 32. So what's the smallest prime number that can divide 32? It is 2. 32 divided by 2 will give me 16. What else can go? 2 can go. 16 divided by 2 will give me 8. What else can go? 2 can go. 8 divided by 2 will give me 4. What else can go? 2 can go. 4 divided by 2 will give me 2. What else can go? 2 can go. 2 divided by 2 will give me 1. So how many 2 do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2 raised to the power of what? 5. So you should know that your 2 raised to the power of 5 is equal to what? 32. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 raised to the power of 5. And that will give you what? 32. So what I now have here is 2 raised to the power of the square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 32. So the index form of 32 now is what? 2 raised to the power of what? 5. So now that I have the base number to be the same, I'll cancel them out. So these 2 will cancel out these 2. So what will be left is the square root of 2x plus 1 equal to what? Equal to 5. Alright. So haven't gotten this. This is square root of 2x plus 1, alright, equal to 5. This is what I have here. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to square both sides of the equation in order to remove this square root sign. Alright, in order to remove this square root sign, I will square both sides of the equation. So here what I'm doing is that I want to square both sides. Alright, I want to square both sides of the equation. Alright, so here will be squared, here will be what? Squared. So that this square will cancel out this square root. Alright, so what will be left will be 2x plus 1 equal to 5 raised to the power of 2. And 5 raised to the power of 2 is equal to what? 25. 5 raised to the power of 2 is 5 times 5. And that will give you 25. So this will be 2x plus 1 equal to what? 25. So the next thing I will do is to collect like terms. So this will be 2x equal to 25. When this plus 1 crosses to the other side of the equation, it will become minus 1. So this will be 2x is equal to 25 minus 1 will give me 24. So the next thing I'm going to do is to look for the value of x. So to look for the value of x, I will have to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is what? 2. So this is divided by 2, divided by what? 2. So that these 2 will cancel out these 2. And that will make my x to stand alone. So x will be equal to 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 will give me what? 12. This is my answer to this question. Alright, so the correct answer to this 2021 WAEC question is option C, 12.